Hello children, how are you all of you? Fine. Today we are going to discuss about the petroleum. Petroleum is a natural resource. Yes, it is a topic which has come in your chapter Natural Resources, that is your chapter 15. Now what is mean by petroleum? What is the meaning of petroleum? The word petroleum translates to rock oil. The word petroleum translates to rock oil. It is derived from the Greek word petra. It is derived from the Greek word petra and the Latin word oleum. It is derived from the Greek word petra and the Latin word oleum. When it is drilled from the ground in the liquid form, it is called a crude oil. When it is drilled from ground in the liquid form, it is called crude oil. Humans have known about its existence for 4,000 years. However, the first time crude oil was pumped from the ground was 250 years ago in China, and the world's first crude oil well was drilled in Pennsylvania, USA only in the year 1859. So petroleum translates to rock oil. It is derived from a Greek word petra and Latin word oleum. Now, how the petrol is formed? Petroleum is formed from the remains of dead plants and animals. Petroleum is formed from the remains of dead plants and animals. When plants and animals die, they sink and settle on the seabeds. When plants and animals die, they settle on the seabeds. Millions of years ago, these dead wildlife and vegetations decomposed and got mixed with the sand and the slime. Millions of years ago, these dead wildlife and vegetation decomposed and got mixed with the sand and slate. Certain bacteria helped in the decomposition of organic matter and caused some chemical changes. Due to that, the petroleum is formed. Now, what are the disadvantages of petroleum? Much of the remaining oil in the world is the politically unstable area, including Africa, Middle East, Russia, and parts of the Southeast Asia. It is easy vaporizable components of oil can contribute to smoke. So it also contribute in a smoke. Drilling for oil is getting more difficult and expensive because we are now drilling as deep or deeper than 20,000 feet to find a new reserve. So this is the disadvantage of petrol. So what we can do for the not using a fossil fuels? First, alternative energy sources. So we have to go toward the alternative energy sources. Today we start using the alternative source of energy like solar power, wind power, geothermal, biomass, hydropower, waste energy, and so on. Today we are moved toward the alternative source of energy like solar power. It is used to make a food. Here solar energy we can able to use to make a food and electricity. Wind power also used to make a electricity. Geothermal energy also be used. Biomass, by hydropower and waste energy, and so on. Because these renewable energy sources are not polluting the environment and are helping us to reduce the level of greenhouse gases emission in the atmosphere and to reduce climatic changes. So we have to move toward the alternative source of energy, because we have a limited source of energy, that is your about a fossil fuels. We are limited. So we have to move toward the alternative source of energy. They also reduce the level of a greenhouse gas emission in the atmosphere and to reduce the climate. Now what are the alternative fuels? First one is your, what is biodiesel? Yes, biodiesel is the alternative fuels. Instead of petrol, kerosene, we can go toward the biodiesel. Alternative fuels for a diesel engine made from a vegetable oil, animal fats and algae. So it is a substitution for the diesel engines. Meet health effect testing, lower emission, high flash point, high octane number and excellent lubricants, safer, biodegradable and essentially non-toxic. It affects biodiversity and foods versus fuel debates. Chemically, biodiesel's molecules are monoalkyl esters produced usually from the triglyceride ester. So we have to move toward the biodiesel because its octane number is very high and it does not affect the environment also. Now second is your ethanol. Ethanol is widely used renewable fuel made from corns and other plant material. It is blended with a gasoline for use in vehicle. Ethanol is a widely renewable fuel made from corns and other plant material. It is blended with a gasoline for use in vehicle. So I hope you understood about the petrol, how it is formed, what are the disadvantages of a petrol and what are the other alternative source of energies. Okay, I hope you understood very well. Now thank you.